Do it.
Trust each other. If you trust each other, it'll work.
They're freaking out.
There you go. 3.
Woo!
Oh my god!
You taking pictures, Mom?
No, because I screwed up again.
Here, you can use my camera.
No, I can take pictures. I can videos.
Well, I'm videoing it.
Yeah, but these don't have it. Okay. Oh my god, it's
She can put it online. Almost there. There, at least it's on wood.